My hair has definitely grown from the last time I filmed a hair growth tutorial. Like, look at this. Girl, is that me? Is that me? I'm so proud of the length that I've gotten to, but baby, I need to grow at least 5 more inches by the end of this year. And I'm about to try some new products, so stay right there. Before I officially start this video, Happy New Year! I can't believe that we're actually in 2024, and I hope that so far it's been an amazing year for you. And if it hasn't, just hang in there because I know God is about to spin the block for you. I just need you to have a little bit more patience. Now, welcome back to the hair video. I'm about to try some new products in this video, especially the products that I've heard so much about and I've been just dying to try for the longest of time. And I'm just so happy that these were gifted from the Beauty Beat event. So I got a lot of products to try. So I'm going to need you to follow me into the bathroom real quick to get this show on the road. I like to start with wetting my hair with lukewarm water. I heard there's benefits to it, I just don't know what it is just yet. Whilst I'm wetting my hair with this magical lukewarm water, I am scrubbing my scalp to ease off all of that product buildup from all the gel I use, all the oils I use, and etc, etc. I will then go in with a handful amount of this Sheer Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo and lather my hair from the roots to the ends and in all of those crevices. I tend to wash my hair every 3 to 4 weeks, and then I personally believe that if I leave my hair alone, that my hair will grow quicker, and I've seen that happen personally to me. I don't know about anybody else, but for me, my hair tends to grow much more thicker and much more quicker when I just leave it in a plait or in plaits or in cane rolls or in buns. During the washing process, I tend to thoroughly scrub my scalp to get rid of as much dirt in those pores as possible. After that very much of a thorough scrub, I tend to give myself a nice little scalp massage and I wash away that shampoo. And then I repeat the process all over again. This time around, I'm going to go in with the Soft and Free Manuka shampoo, and I'm going to repeat all the steps that I done beforehand, which includes scrubbing my scalp and giving myself a free luxury scalp massage as I wash away the shampoo. One thing I need to figure out is why my hair gets so dry and brittle during the shampoo process. Like, I just don't get it. Like, it proper irritates me, and I just be thinking, like, why does my hair lack so much moisture? So there was this 1 year, probably, I don't think it was even a year, but it was coming up to a year, where I just stopped using shampoo and I replaced it with conditioner. So instead of shampooing my hair, I would condition my hair instead, because shampoo just made my hair so dry. But I'm still trying to like figure it out as we speak. So if you guys have any recommendations, when it comes to like wearing conditioners and hair masks. So maybe a shampoo's job is to strip your hair of oil, that way it's clean, and then you go with a conditioner and a mask and restore back those oils. I don't know. To restore back the moisture back into my hair, I'll be trying out the new Bumble and Bumble Ultra Rich Deep Conditioning Mask. I've actually heard a few things about this on TikTok, so I'm actually very happy to have tried this today. I'm going to section my hair into 2 parts and use a generous amount from root to end. Then apply the Sheer Moisture Power Greens Reconstructor. This has avocado, kale, moringa, matcha and green algae. With all of these ingredients, I'm surprised it's not green. Does this mean that the product has been processed? Like, all of these products that I've mentioned, they're very, very green in color and they stain quite a bit. Anyways, I add a generous amount throughout my hair, but add a little extra to that section in the middle of my hair because that part of my hair seems to be the driest. This little piece alone seems to have a different texture to the rest of my hair. So I tend to give this part of my hair a little bit more extra love and care. I then take my sweet time to finger detangle, making sure to be extra careful, because if you want your hair to grow, you need to be nice with it. Like, you need to treat your hair like a baby. Like, only then will you reap the benefits. This is my hair fully detangled. I place my hair in a little bun and I wipe any residue left of the conditioner that is most likely on my forehead, and I just wipe it all over my brows. Because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but they need help. One eyebrow is thinner and the other one is so much more nicer. I leave the conditioner in my hair for at least 20 minutes, sometimes even an hour, just so that it can penetrate into the hair and roots. So by the time I wash all of this out, my hair is feeling nice and velvety, nice and soft, and prepared for the hairdryer. I don't know where you guys are watching this from, but the weather here in the UK is absolutely cold. I'm talking like -2, -3. You know them little minus temperatures there that my body just can't cope with? Yeah, my lips have been dry, like real dry. So I had to start off with that before sectioning my hair into two, because I find it so much more easier doing my hair one section at a time. Like, I don't know how people just do it. Like, they just be blow drying their hair, just the whole head, no sections. I'll be thinking, girl, I have not even reached your level yet. So to make my life so much easier, I section my hair in two and I'll just blow dry each side. When I was younger, I found it so difficult doing my own hair and I just couldn't do it. So my mum had to do it up until the age of like 17, until I turned 18. I was like, no, I can't keep going to my mum. Like, I need to learn. Like, my hair used to be twice the size it is now. With my management, I haven't really done the best of it, but I'm trying now. So I recently found this on TikTok and it's the Revlon instant blow dryer. It's supposed to blow dry your hair in half the time. I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love this. I do have a normal hair dryer for it, but I don't know how to blow dry my hair without the little comb piece. So I've been using this. I won't lie, this is actually a game changer because I can blow dry my hair so quickly with this, but I low-key believe that I like it so much because I'm a bit lazy and I need to cut that out. I do feel as if I need a trim though, and I was thinking about getting that big little chop, but I'm not just sure yet, so just give me a few months because you never know, I could surprise you guys and just pop up with a trim or even pop up with a pixie, you never know. Another reason why I love sectioning my hair is that I get to see my hair curly and I get to see my hair straight at the same time, and I low-key be feeling that curly side, but I still also need to learn how to maintain my curls. Like, I'm gonna find a video and learn how to maintain my curls, but I've tried it one time. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I lose much more hair when I maintain my curls, hence why I just straighten it out. The feeling of having your hair blow dried out, it feels so good. It feels light, it feels clean, it feels luxurious, it's giving soft life. To sum up the feeling I have from blow drying my hair, it basically makes me feel so free. Like, I'm ready for anything. Like, I'm ready for all the obstacles that are going to be thrown at me. What do you guys think? I definitely feel like 100% I'm going to get myself a trim. I feel like it's definitely time. This is the last few steps to my hair routine. I'm about to section my hair into 4 because I'm going to give myself some plaits, 4 plaits, and these 4 plaits, they won't be neat, they're just going to be like bedtime plaits, but I'm going to make sure that they're plaited up and they're ready to be oiled. I'm now going to use the Miel and Cantu scalp oils to oil where I have sectioned. And with each row, I'm going to oil in between each cane row. I have always used the Miel scalp oil because its main ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary has proven results of hair growth. Plus, in this bottle, it's been incorporated with some mint, so you already know that this oil is about to do its job with penetrating those roots. Cantu, on the other hand, I'm very skeptical about, because I remember using their products when I attempted to maintain my curls and my hair just fell out. It literally just fell out. I haven't used their products ever since. Just so you know and you can understand my why, I wanted to maintain my curls, and Cantu is supposedly the best and go-to brand for the curly babes. So I went a month with just using Cantu products alone, nothing else, just strictly Cantu. But my hair just didn't agree with the ingredients that I probably used throughout their product. Like, my hair just fell out. Now, a few years later, I will definitely try their products again. I'm just not in a rush to try them just yet. Like, I'm taking my time before I go there. Like, I think a product needs to be raved about first before I actually give it a go. However, this is just an oil and it shouldn't cause any damage to my hair. Plus, it contains biotin, which I'm so excited about because it's also supposed to be amazing for hair growth. As I've finished doing my hair, everything is oiled, I'm happy. I'm about to put my hair in a bun, spray my hair with a little black castor oil braid spray. For the first few days, I'll stay away from all gels and anything that may cause my hair to get dirty too quickly. So the baby hair I've just done is from the leftover oil. And when bedtime approaches, I'll either put my hair in a silk bonnet or a silk pillow. But that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.